Hey guys, welcome back to Kelly's Creations. We're still doing Christmas. I just love it so much. I got to keep going. I'm going to keep going to the last second. So, using a old sign that I had picked up from the thrift store, I turned it around. This was one of the box signs, and I'm going to use the inside of the sign instead of the flat backing of it. So I gave it a couple coats of white, came in with this awesome cardboard gift box. I'm not sure where I got it. Maybe Dollar General, maybe Dollar Tree, maybe somewhere else. I'm so sorry. I just don't remember. I got it last year, and I've been dying to use it. So I had some holly leaves, and I thought that would be really cute to fill the back of this box up with the holly leaves. Then I come in with some rustic greenery and some berries, and we're gonna really highlight this gift bag. Gift bags can make such cute Christmas decor. There are so many sizes and styles, and you can get vintage looking and modern, and they're just great, cheap options if you want to decorate with gift bags. And that's my timer going off. Sorry about that. But anyway, I took these wooden cubes from Dollar Tree and I hot glued 4 of them down to the back of the gift box bag. And it's throwing me off because it was cardboard. Usually they're flimsy. This was a really sturdy gift bag. And put a little hot glue on those cubes, and that's going to raise this up in the center. So it's not going to be flat. It's going to be raised, and the holly and the berries are going to highlight it around it by being behind it. And super easy, super fun and cute. I love this little sign. Now, next affordable option, and these are great for gifts too. If you guys are still have those last minute people and you like making it personal, gifts for people, these are great options. So I always keep the lids to my mason jars. Lots of times will use a mason jar and I don't use the lid. And all you have to do is get a bandana. I used school glue. I glued it to that little center piece that goes into the lid. I don't know what it's called. I'm not a canner. You just pick whatever design off the bandana that you like and then embellish it any way you want. I used twine for a handle. I used some rustic greenery and I put a twine bow on it as well. And boom, you're done. Such a cute little country ornament. And right away I went downstairs and I put it on my country tree, which I'm so excited to have this year. I'm going to take some pictures of how I decorated this year, and I think either next week or maybe the week of Christmas, because people are probably not DIY in that week. I'll put those pictures up of my decor for this year. But yeah, this is just a super easy, and there's so many different things you can put in these little mason jar lids. I'm going to show you 2 more ideas. Now this one is using this ribbon I got this year that I love, this little vintage Santa on here. He is so cute. Oh my goodness. So same way, I put him on there with some school glue, positioned him, made a little tie out of some ribbon that looks like candy cane. Super easy. And then, for this one, I did not use school glue. I tried, but because of the nylon ribbon, it wasn't sticking. I did use hot glue just around the edge so nobody would see. That's the edge that's tucked under the rim anyway, so you won't even notice. So pop that little guy in. Isn't he cute? And then made a little ribbon hanger for it. Easy peasy, done. And I just absolutely love this vintage Santa. For the third ornament, Dollar Tree sells these buffalo check tree skirts, and they have white fur around the edges, which I thought was so cute. So kind of mimicking a Santa buffalo checked hat, I decided to cut the buffalo check part off. I hot glued that down, and then I cut around the edge of the tree skirt to get enough of that awesome white, I went blank, fuzzy stuff. Oh my gosh, I hate it when I do this. Okay, but you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, fur. Thank you. Thank you. You guys are all saying fur, Kelly, fur. Um, so I glued it down and took the fur and went around the edges. Made a hanger for it, and this one's done too. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. I love that each one is different, and they are all on my rustic country tree this year. For my last project, I'm going to make a Christmas sign with tags. Oh my gosh, I love this. So this is just a standard Dollar Tree sign. It was from Valentine's Day, but they sell every season pretty much the same shape of sign with different for, Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's. So you can find this shape as a tag sign. I come in, I paint it, then I take some baby wipes and I kind of just wipe away some of that paint to make it look distressed. Now, I ordered these tags and this newspaper, scrapbook paper, off of Amazon. If you want to know where to get it, click that link in my description box. And I'm just going to attach each of these I'm going to put newspaper on each of these tags. Now, I tried doing the wood burning trick. That's why I'm setting it up like I am right here, but there were too many. I had put too many on there, so it was just easier to not do the wood burning trick and just come in with some sandpaper and get that extra paper off of the edge of the tags. Comes off real simple, and that was an easier way this time to do that. Once I had them all with newspaper on them, then I just took a little dotting tool and I poked the holes through. You don't even have to do this part. I don't know why I did it. I think I was going somewhere else at that time. With my distress ink, I came in and I kind of distressed the edges. One of the reasons I wanted to burn them was I wanted that burnt edge. So that's what the distressing ink gives me. So now I'm just going to put these on my sign and kind of form a Christmas tree with them. And maneuvering them around and making it where I want it. Then I'm just going to come in with hot glue. I'm going to glue each of these tags down once I have it in the shape of the tree that I like. Once they were all glued down, I took a Sharpie and I came in, and on the top one, I put fa, and all the other tags, I put la 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 la. For fa la 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 la. Okay, enough singing. You guys don't want to hear that. Now, to make this look even more like a tree, I took twine and tied little bows, but left the tails long. And you're going to see me come in and hot glue the first one down. That's not going to be attached to anything. But all of the other ones, I'm going to take the tails and bring them down to the next row of tack. So I'm going to glue it down. Then I'm going to take one tail, I'm going to go to one tag, I'm going to take another tail, and I'm going to go to another tag. And I'm going to keep doing this so it mimics that shape, and it just kind of, I don't know, I just thought it was kind of neat looking with the tags, and then with the strings, it really kind of formed a Christmas tree. Once I was done connecting all the strings, all I had to do was grab some burlap and just add a real simple burlap bow to this because I didn't want to take away from the cuteness of the fa la 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 tree. This sign was so much fun to make, and I absolutely love it. I hope you guys did too. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Check out what's next. I have lots of Christmas videos to share. I hope you all are having a